Yeah, kawa dogo abechimiri. Chal ma bechu. Chal, I'm going to call them like the peaks of the day. You know, there is beauty in art. Yeah, there is too much beauty in art, and of course, if you apply too much art in fashion, just trust me, you're gonna come out with something that is awesome, and everybody else out there will fall in love with art, and of course music as well. That is for those who are in the industry. Yeah. Now, Chal A in mini no. Chal A ni jugoyo kudizombo. Yes. Chal A ni kenyan maber. People magoyo Chal A ni mostly kenyan in wangonya gite in Nigeria. You know, those movies in Nigerians, they're the ones acting in villages. They just look like that. But now this time around, portraying the real culture. Mipacho ipangwa izumbu. So challenge go kuri izumbu, challenge go around that side of Paida. Yeah, that side. Anyway, jalpara mi Aero Films go there. Yeah, Aero, man, big up on yourself. Keep up. And then go chal check. Can you have that art. Yeah. If you're good at photography, if you're good at bringing out that kind of art, please let me know. Chidinwanga Facebook, I mean liking my page Facebook, then you tira like lemuti. Then some people really want to watch these things, and some people really want to learn how to do these things. Yeah, so just bring them through. Never know at how much downloading challenge on party, because they look beautiful. Yeah, because they look so beautiful. Okay, AY and all the teams outside there, mituwanya wafao sana. Dano cheke mbeka neno wakodi Nebe, dano muneno wakodi area matungtung, dano muneno wake Gulu. Please, thank you so much, Eni Karwate. I think now we have come to the last part of it. Yeah, I'm gonna sign out. Before I do that, I wanna tell you thank you so much. Dano cheke beduka neno from the start. Yeah, wabeduka from Monday to Friday, chaka chawa parachel up to chawa achel. Yes, Monday to Friday. Then at the last moment, that's when Akeliri and none other than Mixes but 256 Spin Doctor. Don't forget, again on Saturday we have what is called the Northern Vibes. Yeah, Northern Vibes were hosting Nkarachelo could 2B. That's when Wakelu Juruwe at least mutemo penyo ke like to come and inspire the others. Thank you so much, please guys. Keep watching One Lord TV. I sign out from here. Let's go. Serious Mixes. The Akbar.